I tossed a new oil pressure and water temp gauge in here, and check this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the original gauge back in for now and send these gauges back. Here we got the original gauge back in it. This tack plugged in here. I'm gonna do some tune work to this motor and get it running good again. So I'm going to clip this off for a minute. We'll see what kind of temperature we achieve. Here it is running after just a couple minutes. And the water temp gauge is right back where it needs to be. I think I can deal with the fluttering needle for now as long as I have accurate gauges. 2 strikes and you're out. I'm going to look elsewhere for a replacement gauge here. I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt and say that maybe it was a bad batch. I don't know. But they're definitely going back.